We're going to explore the 7 coolest car gadgets available on Amazon right now. Our first gadget is the Awalime Car Heads-Up Display C2. This innovative device takes the concept of a heads-up display to the next level. It projects important information, such as your speed, navigation directions, and even incoming calls, directly onto your car's windshield. It's like having a futuristic heads-up display right in your vehicle, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while still staying informed about essential details. Next up, we have the Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable. This compact and portable tire inflator is a game-changer when it comes to maintaining optimal tire pressure. With a simple and user-friendly interface, it allows you to quickly and easily inflate your tires to the recommended pressure, ensuring a safer and more fuel-efficient drive. No more worrying about low tire pressure during road trips or long drives. Moving on, let's talk about the electric car fans for rear seat passengers. We all know how uncomfortable it can get for the passengers in the backseat, especially during scorching summer days. These electric fans are specifically designed to address that issue. They easily attach to the back of your car seats, providing a refreshing breeze to keep your passengers cool and comfortable. Say goodbye to sweaty and uncomfortable car rides. Just a quick reminder that 77% of you are not subscribed. If you are enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. And let's continue. Now, let's discuss the magnetic phone car mount. In today's connected world, having easy access to your smartphone while driving is essential, but safety should always be a priority. This clever gadget solves that dilemma. It features a powerful magnet that securely holds your phone in place, allowing you to use it hands-free for navigation, music streaming, or taking important calls. The mount can be easily attached to your car's dashboard or windshield, providing a convenient and safe solution for keeping your phone within reach while keeping your hands on the wheel. If you're someone who's always on the go and often eats in the car, you'll love the cup holder tray for car. This ingenious gadget offers a stable and reliable surface for holding your food, drinks, or even your laptop. It fits perfectly into your car's cup holder and provides a convenient platform for enjoying a quick meal, working on your laptop, or even writing notes. Now, let's freshen things up with the Quox Car Air Freshner Solar Energy Air Purifier. We all know how important it is to have a pleasant and odor-free environment inside our vehicles. This innovative gadget not only keeps your car smelling great but also purifies the air you breathe. It uses solar energy to power its air purification system, ensuring that you and your passengers breathe in clean, fresh air during your travels. With its sleek design and solar-powered functionality, it's an eco-friendly solution to keep your car's interior fresh and healthy. Lastly, we have the 70mm Dash Cam Omni. This advanced gadget is a must-have for every driver concerned about their safety on the road. With its cutting-edge technology, it offers a comprehensive 360-degree coverage around your vehicle, capturing everything that happens on the road. Whether it's accidents, near misses, or unexpected events, the 70mm Dash Cam Omni records it all, providing you with valuable evidence and peace of mind. Its high-resolution video recording, built-in GPS, and wide-angle lens make it a reliable eyewitness that ensures you have a detailed account of your journey, making it an essential companion for your daily commute or long-distance travels. And there you have it, folks, the 7 coolest car gadgets available on Amazon. Whether you're looking for convenience, safety, or simply a more enjoyable driving experience, these gadgets have got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Amazon and check out these amazing products today. From the Awalime Car Heads-Up Display C2, projecting vital information onto your windshield, to the Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable, ensuring your tires are always properly inflated, these gadgets offer practical solutions for common driving challenges. We can't forget the electric car fans for rear seat passenger, keeping your passengers cool and comfortable, or the magnetic phone car mount, providing a secure and hands-free way to access your phone's features on the go. For those who like to dine or work on the move, The cup holder tray for car provides a stable surface, and the Quox Car Air Freshener Solar Energy Air Purifier not only keeps your car smelling fresh but also purifies the air you breathe. Lastly, the 70mm dash cam Omni ensures you have a reliable eyewitness in case of accidents or disputes, capturing a comprehensive 360-degree view of your surroundings. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a road trip aficionado, or someone who simply values safety and convenience, these gadgets offer something for everyone. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we drive and enhance our overall experience on the road.